So what's up YouTube, welcome to my channel Complete Tech Review, and welcome to another walk around of the Meteor 350, and this one is in the base variant. So basically this resembles more like the Thunderbird 350X, but this is fairly a new bike. And if you can see, this one is the base variant, so hence it doesn't come with the rear seat, what's that, rear backrest, but the seating and everything is the same. It doesn't come with the contrasted stitching seat and also the lining which goes across on the Supernova edition, but it comes with a single stitch. And this one, from the tank below, is everything in black. Even the silencer is in black, hence the base variant is not having any chrome bits, hence the price difference. But the bike is more or less the same. It comes with, even the handlebar is blacked out, but it also gets the turn-by-turn navigation even in the base variant. So as you can see, this has the turn-by-turn navigation which is built in with Google, so that's a good thing, where you have turn-by-turn navigation which you can rely on with Google Maps. So that's something which is there. The rest of the bike looks more or less the same as the top-end model, just that chrome bits are not present, and it has the similar engine, the same gearing, the same build quality, the same 15-liter fuel tank. I think this is the only thing which stands across as the color, but rest all is the same. The bike gets a very nice 350cc engine which delivers around 20 bhp, and the torque is also 21 Nm. And the best thing about the bike is that it's very smooth, very agile to drive. It's close to 6 to 7 kgs lighter than the regular Thunderbird 350, and it makes a lot of difference keeping that weight in check. I guess the best bike in this lot, if you are budget conscious, would be this one, not the second variant, because this one also has a lot of other things going for it, like you don't need a backrest like that, but it is, you pay a lot of premium for that. But and the second thing is, your chrome is something which it's a preferred choice. If you need everything in chrome, that's something which you can take. But if you see the contrast between the black and the chrome, it doesn't go well. If the black and black is there, then I think that's something which is also visually appeal. So that's something which is there. The specifications and everything of the vehicle is the same, and even the seating stance and the seating postures, the legs are all forward biased, and it's more on the cruising side. So this is the base variant. So now let me check out what the cost is. For you, even the base variant comes with the USB charging port over here. So that's the USB charging port. The second variant also has the USB charging port. Yep, so it has the USB charging port as well. So the base variant starts at 2,20,000. The next variant is at 2 lakhs. Sorry, this is 2,19,000, this is 2,20,000, and the top end one, which is the dual tone variant, is 2,36,000. I guess the main difference between this one and this one is primarily the chrome bits. So the entire exhaust pipe is chrome, the handlebar is chrome, it gets the rear seat rest, and even the suspension duties are the same, but everything over here is chrome, but here it is all blacked out, hence the price difference. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do so, please like and subscribe to my channel, and yep, see you in the next one. Bye bye.